What's up, everybody? Power Stroke and Rick. Hope y'all enjoyed your holiday and all that fun and good stuff. We are going to be throwing the 4 pods in the back of the 17 today. We're going to get them in. Might not get them wired up. It's probably be a couple different cuts into one video. But we'll get them in there today. I'll show you how to drop the Ford factory wheel well liners out, which it's the same thing, 7mm bolt, and there's like them push trees or whatever you want to call them, a few of them. So, but before we do that, I'm gonna show you what, other than my nice enthusiast shirt, I'm gonna show you what I got. DIESELCRATE. We're gonna open this bad boy up. I recently subscribed to them, so it seems pretty cool. So I'm gonna show y'all what it's all about. All right, y'all. So I might have opened it already because I couldn't wait. But DIESELCRATE on Instagram, check them out. I ended up subscribing when there was like a 50% off coupon that I used for this first one. So I think I got it for like, I don't know, 18 bucks or something like that. I am subscribed every month now. So there's a couple cats floating around Instagram that are doing them discounts for these. So be on the lookout. But you open her up and got this little envelope right here, which I know what's in there, but I'll tell y'all in a minute. So we got some of this. How the hell do you say that? Vivash Superior Shine. I might be saying that wrong. It's Vash or Vosh. I don't know. But this stuff looks pretty sweaty. So we got that. They threw us in a microfiber, which is cool. Always need those. A sticker, DIESELCRATE.com. Very cool. And then the t-shirt, if I could try and hold this up for y'all, this is what I got. Gas is for cleaning parts. Alcohol is for drinking. Diesel is for power, baby. So when you subscribe, you pick if you're like obviously a boy or girl and what size t-shirt you wear and hat and all that stuff. So, and then also they sent you this. Use code FAMILY, guys, on DIESELCRATE. If you want 50% off, use code FAMILY. And then here's a few other places if you want to use this too. So, yeah, got that. And then in here, if I can get this bad Jerry out, I might have to roll into another clip here in a second. But it's pretty cool. It's like a, let's see if I can do this with my legs. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's like a little grippy mat. Your phone, pens, whatever you want. It just goes on and it stays and stuff don't move. So yeah, this is my first subscription to them. So this is kind of the stuff I got. So it's pretty cool. Definitely worth the money. Guys, check them out. DIESELCRATE. See you next month, baby. All right, y'all. So I got these Ford plastic wheel well liners in here, and there is 3 7mm bolts, and then 3 of those fatty push pins or whatever. And these things kind of suck getting out. I mean, it's plastic, so you kind of, it sits up behind this lip. So I'm gonna keep going with it. I might just honestly mount this pod right here. Boom, call it a day, and then pull that one out and get that one done. So yeah, we'll get her going. It's kind of a pain in the ass getting this stuff out, but it's tedious work, but in the end it's always worth it. So just be careful. It's only plastic, just remember that, and try not to break those little trees and all that stuff. I mean, I got extra ones, but just try and be careful and be patient. Over time, start working it out along the fender, obviously. So yeah. All right, guys, so since I said, personal preference for the front, I just dropped them down and did them there. My opinion for the back, and I mean, some guys will do all 4, that's fine, but taking these factory liners out is a lot easier. So there's my 3 holes right there that I drilled, obviously mimicking that. And don't mind this. This is all, it's all rubber from a couple Bernies, but definitely on the mud flap too. Took my mud flap out as well. It's just a couple bolts and a clip. I mean, no big deal. So yep, that one's done already. So this is my preference for the back. Definitely taking these out. So yeah, I'm mount that bad boy up, and then yeah, we'll slap the liner back in, start running the wires. Just like that, got the side done. Got both pods up there. I think that's where I'm gonna set them on the other side. Put all the 7mm bolts back in, all the little push trees, put my mud flap back on. It's just 2 screws and a little clip right there. And then yeah, for now I just got the wires hanging out down here till I run them and get them all fancy. Nah, I might just leave them like this. It looks kind of good. I ain't gonna lie. I like that. On to the other side. 2 more lights. All right, just like that. Last wheel well's done. Got it all wired in. Well, mounted. Wires ran through the top. So kind of just looks like this when you're done. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this wheel well liner back in, and then we're gonna run all the wires up as far as we can get them. And then, yeah, job's like 75% complete, I'd say. Yes, sir. All right, so everything's ran. This is from the driver rear. I ran it over. And then, ooh, this is tight down here. I need to lift this bad boy. Just ran it up through there, and here's this side. I kind of got it split off. I'm trying to be as neat as I can. I mean, it's just how I am. So here's one connection that will need the extension. So that's taped off until those come tomorrow. Then I run it along here. This one, that's where that one ended. Taped it off. Ran along here. Taped it off. And then this one made it the furthest. So taped it off. So this is just, if you have a lot of zip ties like me, you don't care. So I have to recut all these zip ties and run everything as clean as I can. I try to just make it kind of blend in with the wire harness that's already there, as you can tell. So just to make it clean as possible so it's not all jumbled up. And I'm sure you can get more length out of these wires if you're not like me, being anal and following everything along. But just how I like it. Want to make it clean. So yep, I'll film the rest, plugging everything in and trucking along and plug them up, and I'll probably do that in another video another day. So but this will all be one video by then, so I'll just cut them together. So yeah, other than that, pretty much 80% done. 95, 90, and we'll say 90%. All right, y'all, so we got all 8 of the rock lights wired up. As you see, I already did the fronts, and then I think I ended filming with doing the backs over here. So other side too. Got the wires all ran as neat as I can, just to make it look good. And yeah, runs on up to here. Got everything looking clean. I just have these tucked in right now because I am switching my intake out. I'm gonna get an S&B, which flips the battery. The battery will go right here. So once I take all this out, I'll clean all this stuff up, and yeah. So that's about it. I'll film another video at night tonight, see what they look like. So yeah. All right, y'all, so this is what we're looking like at night. I'm happy with them. I think it looks pretty good. Got all this bright LEDs, baby. Yes, sir.